From here beyond search, you also can get to all the Microsoft apps and you can kind of quickly launch them from here. So if you go to apps, you can see that I have some like favorites and I can go to all apps and I can get to all these different things. Now you can see underneath here, I have OneDrive, I have SharePoint, and I have Power BI. And what I did there was, and let's say Power Automate is another one I use quite a bit. Or let's do Planner. So Planner is another one I use quite a bit. So if I come in here to Planner, I can use this little dot, 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 and I can press pin. And now that is going to add it to my kind of favorites list. So when I get into this app, it's always going to be here for me. Then as it's here, I can click on it and it will quickly launch those different applications. So it'll open up, here's my planner, put my tasks right there. I can say, show me Power BI, whatever it might be. So, and notice it is opening it up in Microsoft Edge. So that's pinning them over here to the side of your Microsoft Copilot app.
So we're doing questions at the end, but this one seems relevant to what you're sharing right now. Does Copilot work the same if you are not in SharePoint?
Copilot kind of works the same if you're not in SharePoint. It works the same in the context of it still kind of works like ChatGPT, but it does not have any access to your work data. So if you're not in SharePoint and you are not doing the paid version of Copilot, then Copilot actually works the exact same. If you're doing the paid version, then Copilot has access to all the files in SharePoint, and that's a much more powerful thing. So it kind of does, depending on the specific context.